Hey Northbrook, for October's Northbrook Market Minute, prices are still stable. What's interesting is that properly priced homes are still selling in a matter of days. I had 2 listings, they looked good, the properties were clean, wonderful photos, and they sold right away. And buyers are moving from the city. We're also at this time of year seeing buyers moving in within district because it won't affect their school plans. The other interesting thing is that prices, while they're stable, the interest rates are still under 3%. So if you're standing on a loan that's over 3.5%, let's connect because maybe it's time for you to refinance, or are you going to upsize or get rid of that property? But still, you can save some money when the interest rates are at 2.88 as of this week. And the other thing to tell you is that my properties, when they're priced well and they look nice with wonderful photos, they're selling in an average of 28 days compared to 76 is the average in Northbrook. So if you're thinking about a move, it's not too late. We're expecting a strong fall. I'd love to connect with you. Call me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gao. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.